Oh sheet, oh sheet, oh sheet, oh sheet, oh sheet. Wait, I need to put on lip gloss before I film this video. What's up guys, it's me Malayna and I'm back with a brand new video. So I think this is the third one in my back to school series. I've done a huge dorm haul, I've done a school supplies haul, and today, if you didn't look at the title, I am doing what's in my emergency kit for school, and this could be for middle school, high school, and college. So yeah, I don't know what else to say about this. And oh yeah, I've never showed you guys my nails, but they're really different. Everyone says they're super Easter, especially at my work, and I'm wearing lots of rings because I love jewelry. But yeah, so let's get on to what's inside my kit before this video gets too long. I just went brain dead for like a second. But so I got this bag from H&M and it was literally $3. It is so cute. It's just like this fuzzy pink material and it has gold detailing and I really love it. I can't believe it was only $3. And it is a little bit tiny, but honestly it fits everything that I need in here and more. So really worth it, and I don't want to be carrying around this huge bag in my purse or my backpack. So I'm kind of glad that it is smaller because it keeps me from bringing like everything. So yeah, I really like this pink bag, but let's get into it. First thing that popped out to me is my contacts case. And if you didn't know, I wear contacts and I'm always throwing away my contacts because I don't have a case with me. So I was like, okay, this needs to go in my emergency kit, and it's filled with solution, so I'm not gonna open it. But I really needed this because my contacts in my eyes always get so dry and I forget to bring eye drops and stuff. So I have these and I always carry my glasses on me anyways. So yeah, a contact case was a must. In here I also have 2 tampons, actually 3 tampons. I have 2 like really light ones, and then I have 1 like for heavy periods depending on the time of the month, you know. So if it's really light that month, I will use these 2 regular ones and then this heavy one. But I really like these tampons because they are not like bad for you. I think they're like organic. Yeah, these are organic tampons. So, and for every tampon that is bought, they donate to women in need who need menstrual products like this. So I fully support this company. I really love them, and their packaging is so cute. Like, I love this. Along with that, I also have 1 pad in here. Sometimes I have a really heavy flow. I know this is TMI, but you're here watching my emergency kit, so this is what's in it. But I have this pad. It's like one of the long ones in case I have a really heavy period. And yeah, I really like these ones. Nothing to really say. It's a pad. I hate the ones that the school gives you, so I always make sure to carry my own. Always carry menstrual products on you because I know how much it sucks to like bleed through your pants and not have anything. Trust me, I've done that so many times and it's so embarrassing and I hate it. So I've learned to always keep menstrual products on me. Next, I also have this hand lotion. My mom got this for me when she was at the hospital. She works at the hospital. She wasn't like admitted or anything. But it's kind of like an Adventure Time theme lotion. It looks like that. It's super cute. I really love it. It has the lumpy space princess on that, and it says, "Oh my glob." Hella cute, and I love the color. And it's just like a pineapple like smell, so I really love that. And my hands are always like ashy, so like right now they're kind of ashy, but whatever. Then I also have my birth control. I've only taken 1. This is a new pack. I do take it every single day at 8 p.m. and you know, not trying to have a baby or whatever, going to college, trying to have fun, not trying to raise a kid. So that's why I have my birth control. I got this from Planned Parenthood, and yeah, I'm barely on the first day, so very useful and always need this. So yeah, since I carry this everywhere, I know that I'll always have my birth control because who knows where I'll be at 8 p.m. I could be at work, I could be hanging out with my friends, so I always have to carry this on me. especially since you know that if you don't take one day, that can mess up your whole like system of taking it. So it's very important to take your birth control every single day at the same time. And here I also have some blotting sheets. I get super oily. I inherited it from my dad. So these are the e.l.f. ones, and I think they were like $3. They're like $1 to $3. And I remember watching this YouTube video where some guy thought they were like rolling sheets. Really funny. But yeah, so I just have some blotting sheets. I've had these forever just because I sometimes forget that I even have them, and I just suffer with oily skin. But yeah, I carry these whenever I remember to use them. So I really love these. I have another e.l.f. one, but I like the aloe version a lot better. It just smells good, you know. Yeah, so I highly recommend if you have oily skin to get some blotting sheets because they're hella useful and they keep your makeup looking good and fresh all day long. I also have $5 in here just because you never know if sis gets hungry, wants something to drink, you know, needs to give someone money. I don't know. But I just have $5 emergency for an emergency. I usually carry my debit card with me, but sometimes I forget to grab it. Like I'll buy something online the night before and then not put it back in my wallet. So I have $5 just in case I need to buy something real quick. I need a quick snack or a quick drink, whatever. You never know. So $5 at the least have in your emergency kit, you know. And I really like money. And it's also a nice surprise, like, you know, you're like, oh frick, I thought I didn't have cash. Like last week I went to the farmer's market and I didn't have any cash on me, so I couldn't buy anything that I wanted. But if I had this $5, I could have bought at least a little something to eat because everything there looked really good. So have cash on you. We're almost through this. We were talking a lot. So if you stay till this point, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more of my face. You know you do. You've already watched this much of the video, so go ahead and do that. You know, I'm trying to get to like 600. I've been stuck at 520 for a while, so subscribe. And then I also have some chapstick in here. I have the EOS chapstick. I'm usually wearing lip gloss. Like right now I'm wearing my Fenty lip gloss, but in case I don't wear any lip gloss or any makeup that day, I have my EOS, and this is just like a coconut one. I got this like so long ago. I don't even remember who gave it to me, where I bought it from, or anything like that. But I always need chapstick. My lips are always getting chapped, and especially when I'm at work, because I work at Chipotle and it's always so hot in there with the grill and everyone cooking and moving and folding burritos and all that freaking stuff. So my skin gets really dry, and as well as my lips, so I needed a chapstick, and now I have one in my emergency kit. I also have a hair tie because sometimes I forget to wear my scrunchie, which is what I usually use as a hair tie, but if I don't have one on me, I have a hair tie. And I do keep some in my car, but sometimes I get my car taken away from my mom. So you never know when I need a hair tie. Oh, you never know when I need a hair tie. So yeah, and sometimes they break on me too. Like I've had scrunchies break on me somehow, so this has been very useful. Next, I also have deodorant. I usually use the Secret Outlast like Paris one, but this is one that I don't really care about. It's just the Tom's 24 odor lasting deodorant with wild lavender. You already know, like this is the no aluminum one. My mom's very passionate about that and using deodorants like this, so I just keep this in my emergency kit. I really like it. It doesn't keep all the smell, you know, smelling fresh, but it does the job the most it can. So I just put this in my emergency kit, and it's pretty big and takes up a lot of space, but I don't know, I like having this one in there. I also have Advil. This is supposed to go along with the menstrual products. I definitely need to refill this soon. I don't even know how much is in here anymore. If I could open it. Why is this so hard to open? Oh my god. But yeah, oh, there's only 3 in here, so I need to refill this soon. And it usually comes with 10. Yeah, it comes with 10. So I take these a lot when I'm in school, when I have a headache, cramps. You already know, Advil is a lifesaver for cramps, especially. So I always need to carry Advil with me because my cramps are literally the worst and I feel like I'm going to die and I get in a really bad mood. So if I have Advil with me, everything's cured. So I need to carry that with me at all times. Like, it's not even a joke. We have 2 more things. The next thing is tissue. This one has glasses on it. If you saw my school supplies haul, which was my last video, I showed where I got these from. But if you didn't see that, these are from Target and it comes with a pack of 4 for like $1 or something like that. And it comes with 10 tissues. These are very useful for me last year. I always have a runny nose. I don't know if it's allergies, if I'm sick. I don't know. But I hate being the person to get up in front of class and blow my nose. I'm just so shy and I get so embarrassed. So I always like to carry these on me, and it just makes me feel better, you know, not having to get up in front of the class or having to ask the teacher for tissue or whatever. So I like to carry my own, and yeah. And the last thing that I have are makeup wipes, and these are also from Target. They're just the Neutrogena makeup remover cleansing towels, and I really like these. They only come with 7, but it's totally okay. You can always rebuy them. They're not that expensive. But I use these when I am going to cheer practice and need to take off my makeup, or if I'm going to work and my makeup is just sweating off from the day of being at school, you know. So this is a new pack that I just bought. It hasn't been opened yet, but I really like having makeup wipes with me just in case I don't want to wear my makeup that day, or it's just falling apart, you know. So it's just always good to carry stuff like this with you, and I really like having this with me. It just makes me feel more prepared, or if like I did a really bad eyeshadow look that day and I'm feeling self-conscious, I can always take it off, you know. So makeup wipes. And let's see if I can fit everything back in here. Probably not. Okay, so I fit everything back in here. I was gonna put some eye drops in here because you never know. Just kidding, I don't do that. But yeah, my eye contacts just get really dry, so that's why I needed eye drops. But they're definitely not gonna fit in here, so I can survive without them as long as I have my case in here. But yeah, this is my emergency kit, and if you guys really need one, definitely go to H&M. They sell bags like this for $3, and I'm in love. This is honestly my favorite thing. I was gonna use it as a pencil pouch this year, but I was like, this is way too cute, so I don't want to destroy it. But yeah, so if you liked watching this video, I'm sure you'll like watching my other ones, so don't forget to check those out right after this, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.